to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to simulate a transaction before you sign in Rabby wallets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simulate a transaction automatically before you sign them in Rabby wallet, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Rabby wallet. Once you open it, you need to simply show your details like balance changes, gas fee, and potential risk in a human readable format. So to see the simulation, simply initiate a transaction. Rabby will run a preview and present a summary of the outcome, including any warnings about scam contracts or other potential issues. You can choose to sign the transaction or cancel it based on the simulation details and any alert shown. So, so to simply show Rabby Wallet's simulation work process, you need to have the automatic preview. You need to have a clear summary as it displays a summary of transactions, and you should know if the simulation detects any alerts and warning, and you can also choose to proceed with the transaction if you understand it, or you can even cancel it. So this is how you can simply simulate a transaction before you sign in Rabby Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.